with lab-grown meat becoming more and more popular and more going from an idea to an actual concept and a product, with lab-grown meat being approved for sale in American supermarkets. I don't know if it's sold yet or it's going to be sold, but I think two or three companies have been allowed to or approved for their lab-grown meat to be put into these supermarkets in America. I don't know if anywhere else has allowed this. I was wondering if what would the reaction be from the people, as in the customers? Would they buy it? Would they buy it over normal meat? Would it just be for vegans and vegetarians? Would it be more expensive, more cheap, and things like this? But also, with people thinking about their health and what they put in their body and things like this, would people really want a lab-grown meat in the supermarket and on their plate? What goes into this lab-grown meat? Chemicals and anything like that. Is that part of it? How do you manage to make meat with something that comes from an animal? How do you manage to make it in a lab? Is it safe for human consumption? Should we allow it into our supermarkets and onto our plate? Is it the same as plant-based meat? I don't think so. I'd say both maybe are vegan or vegetarian, but one is made for food and is made like how any other food is made. It just doesn't have meat in it. Another isn't made in a lab, and you want food or meat that's in a lab. And in 10, 15, 20, 30 years, are we going to see food that's not real in terms of from plants and animals and things like this, and everything is made in factories and labs with almost like fake food? Is this how the direction that we're going? And is it really going to help in terms of the environment, things like this? And I also believe that the lab-grown meat, they do use like fibers or something from an animal to start the process off. So is it vegan? I don't know. But it's interesting to see that it is or soon will be in supermarkets in America.